Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this
Now, bro,
thingy. Also, hello guys.
are you recording now?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna start it now.
Yes.
And do not go close.
We forgot. I'm just gonna stay out of here.
The monster looks goofy as hell, bro. I
Yes,
should
for
have
the
done the long neck. It looked creepy at first, and then it became goofy as hell.
yes. And also, guys, this is our first animation. Please do not hate on us. Like, as you can see, yes,
Go, go, go!
it's it's like I don't know what to say anymore. I'm gonna be silent for the rest of the video.
Flashbacks.
The stupid thing. Okay, I think my laugh is off.
Okay, that's it for the video.
Yes, guys.
Bye bye. This is my shortest video actually.
Okay.
Alright. I hope you guys have a good day.
Yeah.
Or good